Hey, this is Jake with Lightspeed Health, and in this video, we are going to go over the transferred transport batch page from Nomi-CS to the logistics suite. So first thing you're going to have to make sure you do is, I am on a test server right now, so I have this URL. But if you were going to log into the live instance of our logistics suite, you would go to logistics.lightspeeddataservice.com. Since I'm going to be running through this in the test server, we're just going to stick where we're at right now. So first thing that we're going to do is click on this 3-dash pullout on the left-hand side and go to the transport batch page. Now, like I said, this was previously on our Nomi-CS instance of Lightspeed, but we transferred it over to our logistics suite. And here you can see that it's practically identical to the list that we had in Nomi-CS, with a couple of exceptions. The first exception is that this page is going to be user specific, meaning that when you log in with a specific collection site, you will only be able to see transport batches from that specific collection site, as well as when you create a transport batch, you will only be able to select your collection site from that list of drop-downs when you're logged in with your unique Lightspeed login. So like I said, this is practically identical to what we had before on Nomi-CS. You can still search batches by their batch IDs. We'll go ahead and do that really quick. Oops, I added some trailing spaces. So you can see we can search these transport batches, as well as you can filter down by collection location, destination lab status, time created, etc. The other thing that we added on this release is that we added a hovering notes section. So if you hover over the notes section for a transport batch that has notes in it, you can see the full note in this little pop-up that appears. So pretty cool. When we go to this create transport batch page, like I said, only your specific collection site is going to pull up under this test location. And then your default destination lab will be populated right here. You can actually switch that to whichever lab you are shipping to that day. There's this notes section right here, and then everything else is going to function the exact same way that it did before. So entering test kit IDs. You can also upload a file of test kits right here. You will notice that we omitted a few of the input regions that we had before. We figured that we would unclutter this page a little bit, make it look a little more clean. And so you'll see that we excluded a few of the input fields that we previously had within Nomi-CS. And that is the transferred transport batch page, which is now in the logistics suite. Thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful for you. Thanks.